Uba syarat walang wadi ukun ikong Victoria walang iberi try jongka Kripa Victoria Senior Citizen Home. Ulong ba kajing syakri ki para beriau gede kajing syakri ya ublay try kenrat. Madu ulong hakane ha kajing play ya kajaka ri sumar ya ki reutemen kebelalong ha ka Kripa Center Umroi. Ulapan pauru buku ukun udap da kajing kemen kebakrau ban la ban penurlong ya kajing angnut ke kemia jeng u. Kebatrang ban ajing syakri ya ki reutemen ki bomdan syuk ki nongri nong sumar halayeng. Badai da kajing trailang rengkat bala ke kemia bala urlong ha ke balala ban play ya kena kejakari sumar ki reutemen ha Umroi. Bad shen an sedang ban kemi ikitu ki badai hok ban yo ban sa ha kena kayeng. Nagaliang ikong Victoria walang habakren ha kinong patai kubor. Ilitu bakajing keman kabakrau kaba ila yo menta. Kalong biyo ya kum kena galat ban seng ya kena kejakari bat sumar kiru temen ki bam don syuk kinong sumar. Da kabakadau ru bagane kena kejing fo sneo kubala kam slem. Hadin kejing det jingo jong i ya kajakari sumar kiru temen syabar kari bat akan kari India rukumjo. Ilepen pauru bahkan kejaka kidon kijaka sa pengat na gebenta kitu kibakwa banwan sa akai. Ha kaba lengba kejing sio jong kitu kibawan sa akin giyeng. On lapat ban penbit penbiang ya kejing don kam na kebenta kene kejakari ya kini kitemen. Lawan ban play kene kejakari sumar giru temen dau Father Joe Pereira ubadai unong seng ya ka Kripa Foundation Trustee kumukongsan. Ha kejing don langru ikong Rosetta Mary Kurba Secretary Jong Katnat kakoi kakya ikong Emi Kharchandi District Social Welfare Officer ke District Ri Bhoi bat kibai-kibai.
Thank you so much.
Na kaliang kinong keren baro kila ay kejing ro kebakrau ikong Victoria walang ibalai i jengai ba di bang nut shisha ban syakri ki para beriau ha gani gerukom ha kebalala ban penurlong ya kata kejing angnut jong i.
In our country, we could never think of having such a facility. I mean, we can't even dream of that, because we always say that, it kind of hurt when you say you have to keep somebody in old age home. So, but then we look at the situation now with modernity, and of course with the unemployment issue that we have now, people have to move out. Most of the children have to move out, and taking their parents along with them becomes an issue. And that is for the people who who cannot take them. It becomes a problem and a concern for the children as well as for the parents too. But then this kind of situation has arises in this modern world where we have a lot of where the nuclear concept, family concept has come in. So of course it is a concern, but at the same time we can't just sit back and look at not finding solution. And the very fact that in our state we have one old age home and it's very packed, right? We kind of foresee in the future that we will have to get more of this kind of facility. And I'm very glad that as a private Sherrod and his family has taken up this upon them to start this facility. I think so it's a good move, and eventually when people become comfortable with the idea, maybe we can expand on this.
What we've done is that prior to the opening, we had already kept it on the newspapers for any employees that want to work here, nurses, doctors. So from that background check, we've already started training all the staff that we've employed. How it's going to start. We've given them training in Kripa De-Addiction Center for Children. They've been there for a month now, especially for documentation purposes, legalities and everything. The other thing is that from a legal perspective, we've been working with a lawyer for the past 2 years on this, because the last thing we want is we don't want anybody to say that, oh, we've set this up and then we have any legal issues. We don't want any of that. So the entire legal team background check, that will also be done by our lawyers, and also from our outreach workers to actually go and see the facilities where they live in, whether or not they need shelter or not. You know, because so the outreach team that we have, which is a team of counselors as well, to really see whether they need the care, because we don't want, like Mom had said earlier, somebody to use this as a dumping ground. We don't want that. We want people to come here. It's like their final wish as well, and we want to take care of them. And we want to take care of them the best way we can. I think Kripa has grown because of the facilities that we've provided for them, and we want to do the same here.
Nadu baganang khana ngasachu. You know, ngadan ka to kamansiya ng tagibiki, but tumenti ngastunat ikitaman. They have don't waste them let's Singapore, no? So that I visited this old age home. I was so impressed by the take care of the organizer. Then dangalit sa shalom te dangadan pisa ngan sinakom kani, which is not possible because they have got 10 acres of land. And the facilities which they give also kablong super. Then ngalit po Calcutta, old age home to Commander Teresa, and the let hang to kakta pala yung hang to yung kumni ngam kwa ikibriw bakin dong ikitemente bakin baum kumni I will give them the best. Namabalay few more years take in kidiban kemen kidiban yo kababahatam ken siya bakin let na kami kaputay katakan tingakran ki kon nga sharat whatever it is, this will be my last project, and I want it to happen. Naki semi-privates and these cottages will charge them. Whatever money we get from these private rooms, then we'll take care of the dormitory. But I have a fixed amount from my whatever savings I have to go straight to the dormitory. Those who don't have anybody to take care. Hindi kito gibawan no. Kito gibam dan si sama no but take care kid. We will take care. Give them shelter, food and medical care.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.